With the time machine, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna scale time and loop it in on itself with future, past, future, present, based on sound. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna loop it, and once it loops, it creates a gravity well relativistically, instantaneously, on both the past point and the future point. And what that dissectoral of the how the rate in time went over that past and future point, you'll be able to triangulate transdimensional mechanics and other things with that in scalar differentials that you find in that pocket dimension or outside of the fourth dimensional viewing angle. And the technology is like axioms and stators or stasis devices. And what you would do is you would put the dissectorals. So once the time it took it to catch up with it being already relativistically there, and the tachyon field differential with the time it takes to get there, and the convection in that will appear into another dimension. You know what I mean? So it's with that in scale mathematics. You know what I mean? Since it's 3D space, it can be multiple quasi-states, but what I'm saying with that tesseract and antimatter of time and particles of time, so it's like string theory kind of, but it can prove how it is like everything. It can be that in a certain form and way, you know what I mean? With this type of method with 36 and 27, 9 cubed and other things. You know what I mean? Where it starts scale calculating, you have to calculate where it scale calculates to be cubed on the higher dimension that's stabilized in the field. And then, so you calculate from that one also and track back, and you calculate the intersections between both. And that's how you complete a probability drive to then manufacture it to be what probabilities we manifest through law of manifestation and more. And that's how you scalarly predict what the outcomes and other things were too. Because you got rotation, inertia, spin, and other things. But what I'm saying is those two main ones are what you want. The time it became time, gap, and more.